step into the Toyota 2018 4Runner Limited. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are navigation system, 15 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, CD player, radio, in-tune premium JBL audio with navigation, air conditioning, automatic temperature control, front dual-zone AC and rear window defroster. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.